doings? Welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. It's just this hoe. Coming up in this video, I am going to show you one of my birthday purchases. I actually purchased this like a month or so ago, but I'm going to show it to you now. Just been sitting on it waiting for my birthday month, and it's here, so we are going to look at my latest Louis Vuitton purchase. I wish it was my latest, but it's one of them, okay? Yeah. Beesh got to get a better job. Anyway, I know you guys love a good story time, and here is one for you. So when I was in college, I worked at a home improvement store. There's just a couple of them, so you can take a guess at which one it was. I won't say the name, but I worked in the garden center. And I enjoyed that so much. You got to be outside, except on extremely hot days, and then I just went and hid. But I also had to, you know how it works. You get, garden center, line 2, and you have to pick up those phone calls and help people over the phone. That was before the internet. I was in college, so it was just phone orders and all that. So a guy called in and he wanted a storage building. The storage buildings were outside in the garden center. I was inside on the phone. I had to actually physically go outside, get an item number, look it up on the computer, talk to the guy, right? So I said, hold on, please. You know, it was kind of urgent because he was on the phone. I wanted to help somebody. So I ran out in the garden center, and right in front of the display for the outdoor buildings, there was a swing set, one of those big, swing sets with a big frame on it, real nice. And it was a Sunday, so people had come from church. I don't know why this is. I guess everybody does that, but some people just came in and went out to the garden center, looked around, and sort of wasted the day out there. I don't know if they were going to buy anything, but anyway, this couple was sitting in the swing. And I said, oh, pardon me, I'm going to just get behind you, and I'm going to, open this door and look at an item number. I said it. I said it, and I was nice about it. I opened the door, right? And I started getting the item number, and then all of a sudden I heard something, and I jumped back right as the door slammed. I like instinctively like jumped back, and that metal door just slammed shut, almost on me. I think they had meant for it to slam on me. But the lady that was sitting with the man, beesh that she is, she kicked the door shut, trying to, I guess, attack me. Yeah, true story. It shocked me and it bewildered me so. I mean, I was like, ugh, what did I never did figure out, like, that day. I was like, I don't know. I went and told my manager. I don't know why this lady's mad. I asked her politely, could I just squeeze in here to get a number? She wasn't shopping. She wasn't buying anything. She was just being a cold-hearted bee. So anyway, that happened. I don't know, at this point I'm like, I don't know. Well then, Walnut, one of my best friends, I told her about the incident, and she said, oh, that's so-and-so. She's dating the same guy that you are dating right now. Yeah, this is before I met my husband. Right before, actually. So I told y'all I kissed a lot of frogs. So anyway, it turns out that she was dating a guy that worked with us. We both were sort of dating. It was a casual thing for me. I wasn't that into him. Apparently she did not like me. I don't know what happened to the guy that she was sitting there with, but okay, fast forward to, I get married, I get pregnant. I'm pregnant with my second baby, my middle kid, who is my oldest daughter. And I am at a garage sale with one of my friends. I see this girl. I have never forgotten who she was. I will never forget her face. To this day, I know exactly. I know her name, know who she is, right? I see her at this garage sale. Now, I don't know if it was because my hormones were raging. I'm carrying another girl, so there's double the hormones. I don't think that's true, but I was really... That pregnancy, I was very, like, hot-tempered and, just full of rage, and I was ready to fight. I mean, it happened all the time. And so I think I stopped and, like, did this to her, and she went, what's the problem? She knew who I was, right? And sort of got up in my face, and I was like, oh, remember when you blah, 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 blah? And she went, yeah, I do. And I sort of went, okay, well, that pissed me off and whatever. I don't even know what I said. And she went, oh, yeah, well, good. That's what I was going for. And I went, oh, okay, just check it. And then ran to the car. Oh, my God. That's all I needed to know. Bye. I've always been scared of my own shadow, but at least I said something like, I know who you are, Beesh. So on to the unboxing. I got something, and this is a Louis Vuitton SLG type item that I really got influenced on this. I saw people unboxing it. I follow a couple of people on Instagram who just continually shows this item all the time in various different cool pictures. So I was on the website, like I said, about a month ago, or maybe even a little more, and it came up add to cart, and it's kind of a hard to get item, I think. When it did come up add to cart, I did add it to my cart, but then I was like, no, I don't really need this. Like, let's think about this. So I left it alone. A couple days I came back. A couple days later, it wasn't available. I think 3 or 4 days passed, and it was available, and so then I did pull the trigger on it. But yeah, I was totally influenced. Anyhow, on to the unboxing. Well, no ribbon, so that happened. But to get you a little box, I'm lucky to get a box, right? So I'm happy about that. And it did come with my little envelope in there. They're still giving out some things, guys. I've seen some people getting ribbons again, so that's a good sign. But anyhow, any guesses on what this item is? If I give you a hint, it's actually 3 items in one. Okay, now you guys know. It is the... Dun, 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 the Kirigami pouch set. Yes! I don't know why I went so crazy for this. Dang you, Jerusha Couture. She did an unboxing of it, and I mean, she made this thing seem like you can't live without. So I was like, I can't live without it. Yes! But I do love the fact that it has the different color combos inside. I felt like, you know, if I ever went somewhere that was sort of a little more fancy, I could, you know, clutch the big one. Who doesn't love to clutch the big one? Y'all knew I was going to say it. But then it does. It's like little nesting dolls. And this one is the best one, the medium one. But so, like, what do you do with the medium one? I've seen more of the medium ones for sale by themselves. I think people keep the big one as a clutch, and they keep the small one as like a card holder, and then they're like, damn, the middle one, she sucks. But this one I love the most because it has the real nice red interior. And this one has like a little burgundy going on. And this is just good enough for like a card holder. I absolutely adore the tiny baby because you know I love little stuff. Little SLGs. So anyhow, that is the big purchase. Now, I thought, even this, I don't know, even if you went and put a little chain in there, but then again, are you going to mess up the leather interior and the red color, are you? So I know that they make inserts for these because, as I said, I follow somebody on Instagram. I think their Instagram name is LV Kirigami Girl or something like that. And that's, you know, she has all the Kirigamis and shows them, and beautiful. But I think they make inserts, and I'm wondering if they make inserts with the little D-rings on the side. If you guys know about that, could you please link it for me so I could get some of these inserts? Because I don't want to mess up the inside, but I kind of would like to do, maybe not this one as much, but this big one, like a little crossbody action going. You know how I love to add chains to everything in my life. Everything needs to be locked up in chains to me. In a red room. Oh, yeah. Getting that 50 Shades, girl. But, yeah. So, I did love this. I felt like for the money, you're getting 3 SLGs in one, and one of them can slightly maybe be a purse. So that's how I justified it. Anyway, it was for my birthday. I've had it longer than 30 days, so there's no returning it. I actually do. I do dig this item. And if I get too hard up, I can sell the middle one. But the middle one, I felt like, was my favorite because of the red. I wish this one had the red inside, but neither here nor there. But yeah, totally some of my birthday. I need to stop. I have a few more things to show you, but this was like this was the biggest thing this year. So yeah, Mommy's got to stop now, but it's so fun. You know how I love to shop. So anyway, if you guys know of the inserts, maybe with D-rings, if I can purchase those, I feel like, yes, I've accomplished something. Mask of the week. This little jewel. Loving it, but look, the fogging. The constant fogging. And I got new glasses, guys. Did you guys notice I got these new Burberry glasses? I switched out from my Tiffany glasses to this. And I sort of did a longer, more rounded. I feel like that's coming in style. I don't know. I'm always never in style. I'm never in style, so what the hell. Bag of the week. Remember her? Still smelling good, looking good. Looking good, Billy Ray. Feeling good, Louis. One more little purchase that I forgot to show you guys. I don't know how long I've had this either, but I got this on eBay, and I love, love, love Ugg boots. I don't care if they're basic. I still love them. I still wear them in the winter. I have too many Uggs to count, but I love them, and I'd still buy some. I don't care. We do not care. We love them. But anyway, I got this little tiny on eBay for like $9. So I thought I would show you. I think I always try to show you something tiny. Just going along with that theme, girl. One day, maybe I'll be tiny. I've been saying that for 35 years. She ain't happened yet. Thanks for all the comments and the likes, and definitely subscribe. And it's free, guys. Subscribing, just something in the world that's free, because there's so few things that are. That is. Thanks for everything. I love you guys so much. Next video, I don't know. I think I'm going to have to do a tag video. I've been tagged in some. And my girl Gwenny has tagged me, so you know I got to get on that. Have a great weekend. And listen, so important. If y'all see my husband, though, don't tell him nothing. Bye. I've tried to copy Yoda, guys. Look. Tell me the truth. Is this like, look? Or is this like, look, bitch, now? Tell me. Lottie-dottie, we like to party. We don't cause trouble. We don't bother nobody. We're just the men that's on the mic. And when you rock up on the mic, you rock the mic. What?